Hi, I'm Rex Black, president of RBCS. Are you interested in getting certified while attending a really great conference? If so, why not join me at the upcoming STPcon? In our course, you'll learn the fundamental best practices of software testing that absolutely every tester should know. For example, hands-on experience applying black box test design techniques, hands-on experience in performing risk analysis, interactive discussions with the team and me to find the gaps in your test types and levels, the 7 basic principles of testing, and more. It's a jam-packed 3 days. Certification is a way of measuring your skills growth. You didn't just keep a seat warm for a few days. You proved your new abilities by taking a rigorous exam from the International Software Quality Institute, ISQI. You'll not only gain greater confidence in your own ability because you passed the exam, but you'll also be able to demonstrate your skills to your peers and managers. RBCS, both directly and through its partners around the world, have delivered this course to literally tens of thousands of people over the last 15 years. Based on our records, over 90% of those attendees went on to pass the exam on the first try, compared to the worldwide average of 75% pass rate. So don't miss our certification course and the rest of STPcon. The sooner you register, the better. You can save big with early bird discounts if you act fast and reserve your seat in the course. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for your time.